Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be showing you how to install our brand new AV6 blow-off valve on your Veloster N. Alright, first things first, we're going to remove that engine cover, and then we are going to go over to the intake and start taking off the vacuum hoses, because you do need to remove the factory intake to get to the factory recirc valve. Next, go ahead and loosen your factory clamp holding on the intake to the turbo inlet. Then go ahead to the bottom of your intake and remove the breather hose. Then you're going to want to take a 10mm socket and go ahead and loosen the bottom clamp that attaches the intake to the air box. And then when you have the hose clamps detached, go ahead and remove the intake from your car. Now you're going to want to go ahead and take a screwdriver or something to pop off these clips that are holding in the inlet tube to your air box. Also, be careful not to drop these, because if you drop them, it's going to be super annoying to get them out, so just be careful when you're taking them out. Now you're going to be removing your factory air box. What you're going to want to do is take a 10mm socket with an extension on it and remove these 4 bolts holding in your air box. Alright, now once you've got those bolts removed, go ahead and remove your factory air box. That's going to give you some space so you can get to your factory recirc valve. And also, you're going to want to remove the silicone vacuum hose from the recirc valve. This will stay off of your car, because we will now be replacing that factory recirc valve with our new AV6 blow-off valve. Now you're going to want to remove the factory vacuum hose from your blow-off valve solenoid so that you can replace it with our vacuum hose for the AV6. And now that you've got the hose removed, you're going to be removing the factory recirc valve by taking out these 4 bolts. Next, you're going to want to extract the factory gasket from your factory recirc valve and reuse it in the AV6. Now go ahead and install the AV6 using the supplied hardware where you removed your factory recirc valve. And then take our vacuum line that we provided and reroute it to your blow-off valve solenoid. Now that you've got the vacuum hose in place, you're going to take the supplied zip ties and go ahead and secure the vacuum hose on both connections. Alright, now all that is left to do is to reinstall your intake and reattach your engine cover, and you are ready to go. For more information on the AV6 and where you can buy it, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.